Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you an incredible, refreshing and powerful detox juice made with just 5 ingredients. So if you want to know all of the 5 ingredients that will be used in this recipe, please do well to keep watching till the very end of this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below what your favorite juice is all about. So this juice is not only vibrant and delicious, but is packed with amazing health benefits, from boosting your immune system to cleansing your body, improving digestion, and even giving your skin that natural glow. Stay tuned because I will show you exactly how to make this and explain why each ingredient is so powerful. Trust me, you will want to drink this every day. So these are the ingredients displayed: some beetroot, some watermelon, some lime, ginger, and a pinch of turmeric. And then we would start by prepping the various ingredients as you are seeing on your screen. So we'll begin by chopping our lime into taking out the peels and then chopping it into preferable slices that will fit into the blender. So here is the health benefits of lime. Lime is very high in vitamin C, supports detoxification and boosts skin health, and adds that refreshness to this particular juice. And lime is very, very necessary for every individual, especially if you are looking to lose or stretch some pounds. Then lime should be your favorite ingredient that you should incorporate to almost all your juices. If you look back into this channel, you will realize that all my juices have some lime or some lemon in them, because they are a game changer for my weight loss journey. And if you are watching this and you want to lose some weight, why not hit that subscribe button? So we'll go by chopping our ginger. Ginger aids in digestion, fights inflammation, boosts immunity, and helps with nausea and bloating. So if you're someone who is always having premenstrual syndrome, premenstrual problems, menstrual disabilities, then this ginger, it should be a plus add to your recipe. Then we are chopping the turmeric. Turmeric is a very powerful anti-inflammatory substance, and also supports joint health and strengthens immunity. So if you are always complaining of your knees, then you should add your turmeric to your recipe as well. So now we'll be moving straight to our watermelon. Watermelon is super hydrating, and this particular watermelon was very juicy and so sweet. I mean, I cannot describe how sweet this watermelon turned out to be, and it was very gigantic. This watermelon is the species from Spain. There are different types of species or different species of watermelon all over Europe, but this particular one, I bought it, the one that is written in it, from Spain. This is the best watermelon I have ever had so far, so I will obviously want to get that Spanish watermelon all the time. It is very hydrating, supports digestion, rich in antioxidants like lycopene, and also great for your heart health. And if you really extremely dry on your skin and you feel that you have done everything, you've bought all the oils that is written on it for extreme dry skin and it's not working, then you should add watermelon into your diet. Then we'll be moving to prepare our beetroot. Everything had already been washed and prepared, so just chop that and to the preferable sizes for the blender. So beetroot improves blood flow. As the color is, that is what it is. So my girlies, if you're on your menstrual flow and you don't know how to replace some blood that you have been lost, Girl, you need to add some beetroots, and that should be a friend for you every month, especially after your monthly flow. It improves blood flow, lowers blood pressure. Did you hear that? It lowers blood pressure, boosts stamina, both in the other room and in the physical aspect. It is very rich in iron for blood health as well. So if you're having blood disorders, blood problems, anemic, and always running anemic, then some beetroot is a replacement for any blood tonic. But I'm not saying that you shouldn't go by what your doctor says, but if you eat healthy, you will stay healthy, besties. So right here I was doing a live video while doing this, but look at that. I actually got into this chaos. I didn't know that I did not lock up the blender properly, and I realized there was a leakage somewhere. But that is an aside, besties. This is what we have. And my blender is very good for chopping. You can see it chopped everything into a very smooth paste. And because I want to make a drink, not a smoothie, so I will have to squeeze out all these chaffs. But mind you me, the chaffs that came out from all these ingredients was not even up to that little bowl. I mean, it was not up to a bowl, a small bowl of this size quantity. I mean, it was this recipe is so easy, and you consume everything. And the quantity of water I added was just like 500 mils of water, and this is the quantity I have. So that is just to tell you how juicy that watermelon was. It was juicy, it was extremely hydrating, it had a lot of water content, and this is what I wanted. I just wanted to detoxify my body. Last week I did the green juice that I actually did some gut cleansing, and this week I'm strengthening my gut with this particular juice, and I am shredding some pounds and also detoxifying my liver. But if you are having insulin sensitivity, then this juice is a must try for you. All these juices I'm placing on my channel, they are a good way to improve your insulin sensitivity and regulate your hormones. Like you heard me mention, you drink this after your menstrual flow, you will feel extremely you feel that your body is back, because after your monthly flow you feel like something is missing somewhere, you feel like something is not balanced. So drinking this will replace all of that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I bring to you all the good things of how you can live a healthy lifestyle. As someone who has battled with PCOS, and I am a PCOS survivor, and you can completely reverse a polycystic ovarian syndrome forever, and you can equally balance your hormones by changing and regulating your lifestyle. And I don't only do the juicing, I eat healthy, and I exercise, and I walk daily at least 10,000 steps a day, and you should try same. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you subscribe to this channel, share this video, share your thoughts down below. Bye.